Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got an exciting product to review, the portable washing machine, mini washer, 11L upgraded large capacity foldable washer. Trust me, if you're looking for the best washer setting for your clothes, you're in the right place. Stick around to find out why this portable washing machine is a game changer for your laundry needs. Let's dive right into the details. This portable washing machine is designed for convenience and efficiency. It's compact, lightweight, and ideal for apartments, dorms, hotels, and even travel or camping. It weighs only 3.5 pounds, making it incredibly easy to carry. Made from TPE and food-grade silicone materials, it's not only practical but also ensures the safety and health of you and your family. Plus, it comes in this stylish green color. Check out its specs. With dimensions of 12.5D x 12.5W x 13.5H, it's compact yet spacious with an impressive 11-liter capacity. That's nearly twice as much as other mini washers, so you won't have to worry about overflowing clothes anymore. Now, let's talk about cleaning power. This mini washing machine provides all-round imitation hand scrubbing, ensuring a suitable washing speed and strong decontamination. The blue light feature makes it perfect for washing small items like baby clothes, underwear, or socks, keeping you and your family healthy. And here's the clever part: the foldable design. It measures 12.5 by 12.5 by 13.5 inches when unfolded and a compact 12.5 by 12.5 by 6 inches when folded. This means it's easy to store, and you can place it between shelves or under the bed without taking up much space in your home. Using this foldable washing machine is a breeze. It features a semi-automatic cleaning function with 3-minute, 5-minute, and 10-minute timer buttons, allowing you to complete various washing requirements effortlessly. And the icing on the cake, it comes with a 1-year warranty. So, if you have any questions or concerns, you can easily reach out to the seller for assistance. Now, let's hear from some users who've already tried this portable washing machine. As you can see from these reviews, customers are loving this product. They're raving about its powerful cleaning abilities and how it's been a real game changer for their laundry routines. Of course, no product is perfect. Some users have mentioned that it's not recommended for washing large clothes like jeans or long skirts. It also doesn't have a spin function, so you may need to wring out the clothes by hand. So, to sum it up, this portable washing machine, mini washer, with its 11-liter capacity, powerful cleaning abilities, and convenient foldable design, is undoubtedly one of the best washer settings for your clothes, especially for smaller items like baby clothes and underwear. Plus, don't forget about the 1-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. If you're tired of waiting for laundry day or just need a convenient solution for your smaller laundry loads, click the link in the description below to check out this fantastic portable washing machine, mini washer for yourself. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.